Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of embroidery designs. Guys, as you know that winter is in its full swing and because of the weather, different type of seasonal issues of health like flu, allergies, and some respiratory tract issues have been reported tremendously. So, with this video, I am here with you to remain classy chic with your everyday look, but being safe from health point of views. These are mouth masks with breathable and lightweight and comfortable organic fabric that are being embroidered with the help of handwork hand art to keep you classy, chic, and beautiful at the same time. So, I would recommend all of my YouTube friends and family members. If you are a lover of hand embroidery, if you are an artist, then absolutely go for embroidering the patterns of the mouth mask onto your face mask. If you don't have, then go for a face mask and be careful about your health and remain trendy and chic at the same time. And this video I have made in the continuation of my previous videos, into which you have been requesting me to share some more creative and beautiful ideas of mouth masks, or other term used for them is face masks. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel. Until then, take care and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. With your love and support, we will continue to grow.